art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Bulbasaur from Pokemon, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with drawing in the shape of the head. So right in the middle here, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right for the top of the head. Start with the ears. So we're going to curve this line out on both sides. And then from that point, we're just going to bring this back around and in on the side. Let's round this out. So for the cheek on both sides, we're going to curve this down and in. And then we'll round out the face on the bottom, just curving this over, connecting that in on the side. Now let's draw in the nostrils. So splitting the face in half, we're going to step over, drawing in a curved diagonal line on both sides. Let's step across for the eyes. Coming over, we're going to arch this out. And now moving underneath, we're going to round this out, curving this over again. Now from that edge, we're going to round this out, tucking this in to the top. And then stepping in again one more time, curving this around. Let's draw in an oval right in the center. So from the top here, we're going to round this out, tucking this up and in on the side. Let's move up around our eye. We're going to curve this line coming out. Let's draw in the mouth. So right underneath here, we're going to draw in a small arch line. We're going to curve this line out towards the side on the left. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right-hand side. Let's draw in an arch line on the bottom. So we're going to curve this all the way over and through on the right. And now let's draw in the teeth. So we're going to draw in a triangle on the left. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. For the tongue, we're going to curve this line in. Let's draw in the pattern in the center of the head now. So stepping over from the middle, we're going to just draw in a straight line across. We'll draw a diagonal line coming up on the left. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, just making this one longer. Now from the top left-hand side, let's bring this line across, ending that width at the same distance there. Let's flatten this out. Let's come underneath. Another diagonal line. We'll draw a straight line coming down and a diagonal line coming down towards the bottom. Again, flattening that out on the side. Let's step over. A diagonal line coming up and across. We'll bring this line out on each side. And then we'll flatten this out. Now let's move up. Coming in on the left-hand side behind the ear, we're going to curve this line out, in and through. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Coming up on a diagonal from that, we're going to curve this down, out, in towards the ear. Lining this up at the same height on the left-hand side, replicating that. And then we're going to imagine that falls through behind the ear, curving this around, tucking that into the side of the head. Now we're going to close this off with a zigzag pattern. So we'll draw two diagonal lines coming in. We'll draw another triangle on each side. And then we'll join that together in the center with two more diagonal lines. Now on the left-hand side, stepping down slightly, we're going to curve this out and over. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, just drawing in the vines here. We're going to round this out on the top now. So we're going to curve this over, pulling that back down and in. Doing the exact same thing on the right-hand side as well. And then now from here, curving this out, bringing that back through towards the side of the head. Just to finish that off. Now lastly, let's draw in the body. So coming down from the center, splitting this in half. On the left, we're going to curve this line out. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. We're going to curve this line across. Moving over again, replicating that. And then again, one last time. Now let's close off the arms on the left-hand side. We're going to round this out, pulling this in towards the side of the head. And now from here, let's draw on the claws. So we're going to curve this out, pulling that back through towards that point. Again, stepping over, curving this out, bringing that back in towards that point. And then we're going to do that one last time. Tucking that up. Let's close off the center of the body with a curved line from left to right. Let's add in some details here. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up. From that point, we're going to stretch that over to the side. Let's move across on the right. So we're going to curve this down on a diagonal. We'll do the same on the top, ending that at the same width. And then we're going to close this off with a diagonal line. Let's move down. We're going to bring this over again. And then we're going to just draw in basically an arch line to finish that off. Now let's draw in the back leg. So we're going to step up slightly and we're just going to curve this all the way around, tucking that in towards the side of the head. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's add in another detail. So we're going to curve this line up and over. And now lastly, let's just draw in the claws for the back feet. So we're just going to curve this line out, tucking that back in. We'll do the same, coming through towards the center. And then again, one more time. And that is it. That's how you draw Bulbasaur. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.